niece. Say hi. And my brother who's in the water right there. Gonna go swimming today. Gonna be super fun. Okay guys, I am back home and I showered. Well, I rinsed off because my auntie and them are going to the beach again. And it's my cousin's senior portraits kind of, but it's for her grad party, so I changed into my bathing suit again in case I decide to go swimming again. So I'll see you at the beach.
So we're at the photo shoot. Ryland's He's getting his pictures taken. Super fun. And it's super nice over here. We're like going in the forest and going on the beach. And he's been a great help.
Yeah, I got my little bag with everything in it. Well, I'm a little fat, but it's okay.
And she's wearing the poles that we've been having to take on and off.
Yeah, look, I got the hat.
Yeah,
and
she's literally holding all of our props, basically. I'm like not even, I'm like looking at myself when I talk.
I know, I do that too. Okay, goodbye. Bye. Okay, so my cousins are taking their pictures still, and I'm just over here in the sun, looking good. And here is the beach. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. The lighting is so perfect right now. It is literally golden hour. Like, look at this beach. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. So I'm gonna go for a little walk. I saw that there was a sign that said pillbox, so I want to go check out the pillbox. So I kind of just left them back there, and I'm gonna go find the pillbox. Hopefully it's cool, and hopefully I don't get hurt and lost, because there ain't no really service out here. So if not, I'll just walk back to the car, because I'm pretty sure I know where it is. But let's find this pillbox. It said that the pillbox is over here, so let's hope that I can find it. Pretty sure it should be pretty big, so pretty sure pillboxes are big. So let's find this thing. And yeah, this is the beach. Oh, here's a pillbox. I see it. I see the pillbox. Wow, look at this. This is beautiful. And the pillbox. Right here. Here's the pillbox. Here it is. Let's go inside of it. See what this thing has. Just gonna go around here. Oh, it's a little bit messy over here. Put the garbage around. Ooh. Alright. Well, I'm in the pillbox. It's a little bit dirty. So on this side. Go through here. Has a sunset. It's beautiful. I'm gonna get out of here now. Ooh, it's a little scary in there. All right. I see them are in there somewhere. Now I gotta walk back, find them.